For this video, I'll discuss on inverse variation. So, inverse variation occurs whenever a situation produces pairs of numbers whose product is constant. So, if we're going to multiply the two pairs, the product is a constant term. Then, for two quantities, x and y, an increase in x causes a decrease in y or vice versa. So, this is different from direct variation in such a way that in direct variation, if your value of x increases, your value of y also increases. So this is different. So if your value of x increases, your value of y decreases, and vice versa. So we can say here that y varies inversely as x, or the product of the two, x times y, is a constant k. Or we can have this one as y equals k over x. Then the statement y varies inversely to x can be translated to y equals k over x, where k is the constant of variation. Now let's have some examples here. Number 1. Find the equation and solve for k if y varies inversely as x and y equals 3 when x is equal to 8. So what we're going to do here is we're going to find the equation and we're going to solve for the value of k, the constant term. So first we're going to find the value of k using x times y equals k. Because if we're going to multiply x and y, the result will be a constant term if we're going to have inverse variation. So x times y equals k. So y equals 3 when x is equal to 8. So we're going to have x here 8 times y 3, and this will be equal to the value of k. So 8 times 3, that will be 24. So the value of k here is equal to 24. Now if we're going to find the equation, we're going to use y equals k over x. And if we're going to substitute 24 to the value of k, we can have y equals 24 over x. Let's have example number 2. If y varies inversely as x and y equals 2 when x is equal to 5, find y when x is equal to 7. So what we're going to do here is we're going to first find the value of the constant term k using x times y equals k. So x is equal to 5 when y is equal to 2. So we're going to substitute the values here. X equals 5 and y equals 2. So 5 times 2 equals k. So 5 times 2 is 10, so k is equal to 10. Then we're going to find y, so we can use y equals k over x. Then y here will be equal to k is 10, so we're going to have 10 over x is equal to 7. So y here is equal to 10 over 7 when x is equal to 7. Now another way of solving this one, we can just use here x sub 1 times y sub 1 equals to x sub 2 y sub 2. And what we're going to do here is we're going to represent the first x as x sub 1, the second x as x sub 2, then the first y as y sub 1, and the second y, we can have this one, the unknown, we can have this one as y sub 2. So having represented this 4 here, we can just substitute this one to this equation. So x sub 1 equals 5. So 5 times y sub 1, which is 2, equals x sub 2, which is 7, then the unknown y sub 2. Then 5 times 2 is equal to 10, then equals 7 y sub 2. Then we're going to find y sub 2 here. So we're going to divide both sides by 7. So we're going to have y sub 2 equals 10 over 7. So you will just have the same answer with our first solution. So I hope this video helped you. So next time I'll be having problems involving direct and inverse variation. So thank you for watching and see you next time.